Hello everybody, how are you all? I hope all of you are well and safe with the grace of God. Cambridge International Dasua is here to help you out at this time of crisis COVID-19. Myself Rita from Cambridge International School Dasua, your political science teacher, and today we are going to read chapter Local Government from paper A. And the topics I would be covering in this video: 74th Amendment and then implementation of 73rd and 74th amendments. Amendments matlab changes. Yes, shall we start? So before going further, shall we recall the previous topic and the heading and introduction about the topic so that recent content will be clear to you in an easy way. In a democracy, it is not sufficient to have an elected government at the center and at the state level. It is also necessary that even at the local level, there should be an elected government to look after the local affairs. In this chapter, we will study the structure of local government in our country. We will also study the importance of the local governments and ways to give them independent powers. So after the studying this chapter, we will know the importance of local government bodies, the provision made by 73rd and 74th amendments, and functions and responsibility of local government bodies. One more question we will add at the very last, and today we will do that, the limitations and the drawbacks of local government. Shall we start? Yes, 74th amendment. Acha, before going to 74th amendment, shall I tell you one amazing thing? Many of the political leaders, even many of the people of India, they thought that 74th amendment is the repetition of 73rd amendment. ऐसा वो मानते हैं, because the same thing is almost, not exactly same, almost the same things are in 74th amendment too, as we are having in amendment 73rd. So shall we start 74th amendment? As we have mentioned earlier that 74th amendment dealt with the urban local bodies of नगरपालिका, क्योंकि 73rd हमने किया था जिसमें विलेज पंचायत थी, है ना, जिसमें जिला परिषद हमने करा. नाउ 74th सिटी एरिया अर्बन लोकल बॉडीज, वो थी रूरल लोकल बॉडीज के लिए 74th. नाउ दिस इज फॉर अर्बन लोकल बॉडीज. कंसेंसस ऑफ इंडिया defines urban area in India as having number 1 a minimum population of 5000, इतनी होनी चाहिए. At least 75% of male working population in non-agriculture occupation. ये है डेफिनेशन में इसकी अर्बन लोकल बॉडीज में. अ डेंसिटी ऑफ पॉपुलेशन ऑफ एटलीस्ट 400 persons per square kilometer. 28% of Indians lives in urban areas according to 2001 census, because some of the students are having old edition of the books, so there it is mentioned the different criteria. 74th amendment is a repetition of 73rd amendment. Many of the people thought that. Now one more example I am giving you, because the same thing will be easy for you and you will be comfortable with the topic. Now what is an urban area, है ना. हमने 73rd मैंने आपको कहा विलेज एरिया एंड 74th इज अबाउट अर्बन एरिया. अर्बन एरिया क्या होता है? इट इज़ वेरी इजी टू आइडेंटिफाई अ बिग सिटी लाइक मुंबई और कोलकाता, बट इट इज़ नॉट सो इजी टू से अबाउट सम वेरी स्मॉल अर्बन एरियाज that are somewhere between a village and a town. So the consensus here I have given you, we have discussed these 3 points according to the dealt with urban local bodies. So impact of 73rd and 74th amendment. The constitution also mandated the transfer of a list of functions from state government to urban local bodies. अब स्टेट गवर्नमेंट इतना सारा काम नहीं कर सकती, इट विल बी अ ह्यूज बर्डन ऑन द स्टेट गवर्नमेंट. तो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट अपना बहुत सा काम लोकल गवर्नमेंट को दे दिया. ये हमने दे दिया आई मीन टू से अर्बन लोकल बॉडीज को. सो दीज फंक्शंस हैव बीन लिस्टेड इन द 12th शेड्यूल ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. अब इसमें क्या था? ऑल द स्टेट्स हैव नाउ पास्ड द लेजिस्लेशन टू इम्प्लीमेंट द प्रोविजन ऑफ 73rd एंड 74th अमेंडमेंट. ठीक है, सारी स्टेट्स को ये फॉलो करना था. ड्यूरिंग द 10 years since these amendments came into force, यानी कि 1994 से लेकर 2004 10 साल तक, most states have had at least 2 rounds of election to the local bodies. 5-5 साल बाद होती है ना इलेक्शन, तो 10 साल में 2 राउंड हुए. States like Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan had a few, others have in fact held 3 elections so far. इन स्टेट्स में 3 इलेक्शंस हो गए. नाउ further the thing I am discussing, representatives become approachable to the people. अच्छा, if you want to add some more points and you want to elaborate your answer, you can get some of the knowledge from page number 188 while writing your answer, because here each and everything is given with example कि जिला पंचायत क्या है, then पंचायत, then ग्राम पंचायत, which we have discussed earlier according to the 74th amendment, then corporation, then municipal corporation, and then we have discussed about like 5,000 elected people. This I will tell you later on. And according to this, representatives become approachable to the people. Otherwise क्या था कि representatives सेंट्रल लेवल पे, स्टेट लेवल पे लोग इजीली उन तक नहीं पहुंच पाते. बट लोकल बॉडीज के चलते ईच एंड एवरी ऑर्डिनरी पीपल कैन मीट रिप्रेजेंटेटिव एंड रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स आर अकाउंटेबल इन फ्रंट ऑफ द कॉमन पीपल. इट इन्वॉल्व्स डे टू डे लाइफ प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ द ऑर्डिनरी पीपल. यूटिलाइज लोकल नॉलेज. पहले क्या होता था, लोकल नॉलेज जो थी उनको कोई यूटिलाइज नहीं करता था, कोई उनसे बात ही नहीं करता था. इवन नो इम्पॉर्टेंस ऑफ लोकल नॉलेज फॉर द ऑर्डिनरी पीपल. अ प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर ऑर्डिनरी पीपल टू एंगेज इन डेवलपमेंटल प्रोग्राम्स. ये सब, दीज आर द एडवांटेजेस माय डियर. तो रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स आर मोर रिस्पॉन्सिबल नाउ. रूरल डेवलपमेंट भी इसके चलते हो रही थी. Now further we are discussing limitations of local government. But before doing this, you have to add the provision from page number 188, last paragraph, the provision for reservation for women at Panchayat and Nagar Palika. क्योंकि women का reservation means you can say sarpanch or adhyaksha, like a large number of women elected representatives now have become occupied for this position. There are at least, according to the new criteria, the numbering will be different, but number of women adhyakshika in Zilla Panchayat, and many women are elected as the president of block or तालुका. ये वही था according to the 73rd amendment जो हमने rural area में किया था. And today around 1 lakh women 1 lakh women are sarpanches in the gram panchayat. This we have discussed according to the rural development program. And we have also more than 30 women mayor in corporations, over 500 women adhyakshika in town municipalities, nearly 650 nagar panchayats headed by the women. So women की representation local governments को importance देने के चलते हुए, now their presence in this institution has given many women to the greater understanding. So another your question for 3 marks, what is the representation, what is the status of women participation in the rural local government. The same topic you can get from page number 119, women's role. क्योंकि अब ऐसा नहीं है कि this will be only proxies for the male members to the family who sponsored their election. So such instances however becoming fewer now. Now scheduled caste के लिए, tribes के लिए there are reservations. Now last question, actually we have discussed this question in our previous video also when we are discussing rural local government according to the 73rd amendment, है ना. If you remember my dear, तभी भी हमने किया था कि इनकी प्रॉब्लम्स क्या है लोकल गवर्नमेंट्स की. Now the same question we are doing, actually the questions are same, limitations of rural local government and limitations of urban local government. So you can add whenever we are asking limitation of rural local government or limitations of urban local government, so you will write almost same point. Limitations means but a drawbacks, the negative point कि why local government is not successful even nowadays. ठीक है, because if the heading is clear then you will be comfortable with the answer. अगर heading समझ नहीं आए तो you will be unable to write answer. ठीक है, तो limitations मतलब क्या problems हैं local government की. So here we are giving 3 points, but you have to write more points and kindly prepare this question for 4 marks and 6 marks as well. So listen carefully, I am going to explain this question. Why local governments are not successful. Number 1, many state governments are not ready to transfer the subject. हालांकि it is in the provision that state will transfer 29 almost issues to the subjects to the local government, लेकिन state government अपनी power देने को तैयार ही नहीं है local government को. This is the first drawback. Second, financial dependency affected the functioning of local bodies. पैसे नहीं है local bodies के पास. If they want to open schools and dispensaries and colleges in even some other organizations for the welfare of the local people and common people, उनके पास इतने पैसे नहीं है. They have to depend upon the state government कि कब वो grant दे so they can do something else for the welfare of the people. Many of the women representatives are puppets in the hands of male member or party or family. मीन्स उनकी सिर्फ प्रॉक्सी ही ज़रूरी है, उनकी सिर्फ अटेंडेंस ज़रूरी है, बाकी वी फीमेल या सरपंचिस के पीछे काम करने वाले उनके हस्बैंड ही हैं. दिस इज अनदर. Now the same page I have taken from your book, Limitations of Local Government. Here I have made some of the points as a key lines, or you can say I have highlighted the some of the headings. तो ऐसे ही आपको heading बना के this question you will write. शायद इसीलिए मैंने आपको कल ये question लिखने को नहीं दिया था, है ना? You have done I think only 1 or 2 questions. But today you will write this question and prepare this question for 6 marks. ठीक है, इजीली बन जाते हैं बेटा इसके 6.3 वी हैव डिस्कस, 3 वी विल डिस्कस राइट नाउ. सो व्हाट आर द ड्रॉबैक्स ऑफ लोकल गवर्नमेंट मोर? इवन 3 एडिंग दोज सेम ही है. हाँ, so though we have state government is assigned to constitutional according to the constitutional amendment that 29 subjects to the local government, लेकिन वो उतने सब्जेक्ट देते नहीं है स्टेट गवर्नमेंट. कोई भी अपनी पावर किसी लोअर को देने के लिए तैयार नहीं होता. द सेम कंडीशन. लिमिटेड ऑटोनॉमी है, उनके पास उतनी फ्रीडम, उनके पास उतनी इंडिपेंडेंस नहीं है, सो दैट दे कैन परफॉर्म देयर फंक्शन इजीली. नेक्स्ट यू कैन से दे हैव नॉट, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट हैज नॉट ट्रांसफर्ड मोस्ट ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट्स टू लोकल बॉडी. इफेक्टिव मैनर से काम नहीं कर पाती है लोकल गवर्नमेंट. सो उनकी प्रेजेंस जो है, विमेन प्रेजेंस जो है वो सिंबॉलिक है, खाली merely attendance only. They are puppets in the hands of their families or parties. They has not changed the way in which decisions are taken. जैसे सोचा था वैसा हुआ नहीं रूरल लोकल गवर्नमेंट को. ये उससे अगली ड्रॉबैक है, लिमिटेशन है. यू कैन ऑल्सो राइट नेगेटिव पॉइंट्स. लोकल लेवल डू नॉट एंजॉय मच पावर्स ऑफ चूजिंग वेलफेयर प्रोग्राम्स एंड एलोकेशन ऑफ रिसोर्सेज, क्योंकि उनके पास उतना पैसा, उतना फंड नहीं होता जितना वो करना चाहते हैं. So beautiful, I have told you, write these all the points and all the headings. 74th amendment, इसका impact, और last topic we have discussed here, limitation of local government. So now this is the time for conclusion. So this experience, बेटा ये conclusion you can add in every question for local government chapter. ठीक है, लास्ट में 2-3 लाइनें हमने लिखनी है. अभी जस्ट वी हैव डिस्कस नंबर ऑफ ड्रॉबैक्स के, फिर पर ये नहीं हमने कहना कि बेकार है लोकल गवर्नमेंट, हमें फायदा है. So now this is conclusion. So this experience suggests that the local governments continue to be agencies implementing the welfare and development schemes for the central and local state government. Giving more power to the local governments means that we should be prepared for real decentralization of power. याद है ना आपको decentralization? Decentralization means when power is taken from the central government and given to the state and local government. This is called decentralization. So ultimately democracy means that power should be shared by the people. People in the villages, in urban localities must have the power to decide what policies and programs they want to adopt. Because local people have better knowledge. They better know how to spend money and where to spend their money. Instead of interfering state level. छोटे छोटे काम के लिए state level नहीं ना interfere करेगी. As you have studied earlier, democracy means decentralization of power and giving more and more power to the people. So the laws about the local governments are an important step in the direction of democratization, कि democracy हो जाए. But the true test of democracy is not only in the legal provisions, but in the practice of those provisions. खाली provision लिख देने से local government के पास power नहीं आ जाएगी. उसको implement करना, apply करना ही सबसे बढ़िया power है for the welfare of common people of the country. So let's learn, revise and write questions. First question you will write, what do you mean by local government? We have discussed earlier. And what were the earlier drawbacks of local government? What were the changes brought about the 73rd amendment? अब आप यहाँ पर 74th amendment के भी changes लिखोगे, right? 74th amendment changes और साथ में आप implementation भी लिखोगे. Those topics we have discussed today only. So tomorrow we will start new lesson, and today we have finished this lesson. Tomorrow we will meet with a new lesson, hopefully from paper 2. So while learning you have to arrange your paper 2. Till then, goodbye and have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you so much my